Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a favorite on the HiHi4. A favorite is a most commonly used contact which is easily accessible from the home screen. I have already added a few here for you to see. In order to add the favorite, you just need to press the phone icon, go through your contacts list, select the contact you wish to add to your favorites, and just press the little star. If you go back to your favorites at the home screen, you will see that HiHi is now added. If you want to remove a favorite, you just select the contact and you press on the favorite star, and that's how you remove a contact from your favorites list.